Okay, sir. Can you introduce yourselves?
Okay, my name is Sir Eric Okechukwu. I'm the Chief Security Officer of Igbo-speaking community in Lagos.
Okay. Now, we are talking about the information in the public domain that your PG, the President General, and his deputy are the people that handle the finances of your organization, Igbo-speaking community. That the financial secretary and the secretaries have been dislodged from your account. Could that be true?
That can be true. That can be true because even the President General doesn't have anything to do with finances. We have a desk which I created where they sit, the financial secretary, the treasurer, the assistant financial secretary, they sit one place. They collect all the funds that are needed to be paid, and they render the account when it is needed. So the PG himself doesn't even know, except if we come to the meeting, those who are accountable will render the account of the money they have. So the PG doesn't have anything to do with finances.
Okay, thank you.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you. We just needed another perspective.